Beth Sletta has been a teacher at Jefferson Elementary School in New Elm, Minnesota for 31 years, the same school that she attended as a student. She teaches 1st through 4th grade students in the school's STEM program. Short for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math, STEM programs encourage students to use collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity as they engineer solutions to challenges in their school and community. In recent years, Sletta has added a new letter to the acronym, A for Agriculture. 3 3rd grade students and their concern for the environment was the spark that led Sletta to incorporating agriculture-based lessons in her classroom. After visits from local beekeepers, the students were concerned about the lack of pollinator-friendly plants around their school. Sletta and her students began meeting regularly to find a solution. What developed was the construction of a school garden where her classes now grow fruits, vegetables, flowers, and herbs. After their first successful growing season, the garden posed a new challenge. Many students were disappointed that most of the garden's produce was harvested before they returned to school in the fall. They wanted to plant seeds earlier in the year so they could enjoy the fruits of their labor. The students determined that they needed to find alternative planting methods and cold-tolerant plants that would survive the Minnesota winter. This inquiry-based learning led the students to studying a practice known as winter sowing. Students designed and engineered their own winter sowing containers in which to plant the seeds and placed them both indoor and outside for comparison. Students recorded data on temperature, precipitation, and the growth of the plants. Their hard work paid off as they harvested beets, kale, and small carrots before their summer break. Her peers say most impressive is Sletta's ability to impact both her students and their families. She regularly has parents ask her how to grow and prepare food after talking to their students about it after school. She shares recipes and nutrition information with her students and their parents, and these families now proudly share pictures of their home gardens and the food they have grown. Sletta's students also helped design an outdoor classroom that was constructed by the trades class from the local high school. Other teachers at Jefferson Elementary School are now able to utilize the outdoor classroom and garden in their own lessons. Sletta is committed to infusing agriculture into her STEM program of over 650 students. Her students have designed plant markers using 3D printers, coded robots to photograph pollinators in the garden, used a dehydrator to preserve food, and located seeds on dead seed heads with microscopes. Grants and donations used to fund the garden and outdoor classroom have also allowed Sletta to stock a classroom library with books promoting agricultural literacy. Throughout this process, Sletta has learned that agriculture fits hand in hand with the goals of a STEM program, and she looks forward to helping more students become agriculturally literate in the years ahead. Beth Sletta, 2019 National Excellence in Teaching About Agriculture Award recipient.